How's it going? This is PE ratio, and it's something I wanted to share with you all. So, contrary to belief, okay, let me show my screen. You don't. I'm addressing the elephant in the room right now. I understand. I see a lot of people online talking about buy this stock, buy that stock, buy this ETF, buy cryptocurrency, buy Bitcoin, buy some Ethereum. Oh, go get a house. Let me tell you this right here. Let me tell you what helped me out in life. What helped me out in life is reading this book. Where is it? Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich. I should have had it with me. In that book, it taught me that it taught about a lot of things. Some stuff was a little weird, but I think it might have worked. It's almost like some type of spiritual thing, channeling, and you know, you talk about talking to Abraham Lincoln or a table full of people who are no longer living. that was some. That was some, anyway. We won't get into that. But what I'm gonna say is that it taught me some things. But let me tell you two. There are two types of knowledge in this world. There's knowledge. There's general knowledge, and there's specialized knowledge. General knowledge is people who jack of all trades, people who can tell you a little bit about this, a little bit about that. Specialized knowledge is somebody who masters a trade, somebody who masters a skill, and they master that skill, and they can do that skill better than the majority of people. So, for instance, look at when you look at Jiffy Lube or something oil changes. I forgot the name of it. These things, people change oil. They don't fix your brakes, from my understanding. They don't fix your engine. They don't take out your engine. None of that stuff. They're not really mechanics. Now, mechanics, they can change your oil. They can do your brakes. They can drop it, take the engine out of your car and drop it. But let me tell you this: they can change your oil. Of course, you know how to change oil. If you're a mechanic and don't know how to change oil, you're in the wrong field. Now, um, uh, now the person that can change the oil, they do it every single day. They have mastered the art of oil changing, so they can do it faster than a mechanic. They know what oil is the best for your vehicle. They know all that stuff, and they may change your air filter and all that. So they have mastered the skill, while the mechanic, he's like a jack of all trade. I mean, he's not a jack of all trades, but he knows a little bit about technical systems. Not saying nothing bad about it, but nobody's gonna go to a mechanic to go get their oil change unless the mechanic is fixing on their car and they tell the mechanic just change the oil while you're at it. People want to be in and out of that place. They go into oil changes specifically for one thing, to change their oil. They go up, they pull up to the oil change place. They're probably out of there with less than an hour. Or if you go to this something oil changers, I'm out of there in less than about 40 minutes. It might take. So go to. I pay for knowledge. I don't mind paying for knowledge. Still to this day, if somebody could teach me how to turn $10,000 into $20,000, and I have to pay them $1,000, then I don't mind paying them $1,000. If this person said they could teach me how to turn $10,000 into $20,000 in 1 year, I don't care if I'm paying. I don't care. I was actually saying I'm gonna care, but if they even said, okay, it's $3,000, and I know they can do it, I said, teach me what you know. Teach me what you know. I will gladly pay them the $3,000 to show me how to make 100% profit on my $10,000, which is $10,000 in 1 year. I pay, and I could do this every single year. So I only got to pay them $3,000 one time, and I could make $10,000 every year. Why wouldn't I do that? That's how you have to think. Okay, so the truth is that you don't want to trade in the stock market every day. I'm going to tell you, stop that. Warren Buffett doesn't trade every day. Who in here? Who on this earth has done better than Warren Buffett? Or just better yet, who on this YouTube can honestly say that they have done it better than Warren Buffett? Okay, so why not use why not use Warren Buffett's strategies? He has proven that he can make money in the stock market by being patient and by researching the stock and by not trading every darn day. You don't have to trade every day. The most money I've made in the stock market was done when I made an investment when the market was quiet. When the stock market is quiet, or when it's just a red day, a red month, I buy. Not saying I'm gonna buy right away, but I like buying when nobody's buying. Warren Buffett said it. She said it best. Buy when nobody is buying, or buy when everybody's selling, and vice versa. Sell when everybody's buying. So that's how I like to do things. And I like to invest early, like early when the market isn't ran up so much. Right now, the market has been running up so much, and I've positioned myself a few months ago. Just I don't care if the rally took a year, but I've been waiting for this little rally that he had, and I benefited from it. So this company I'm looking at is called Freeport Mc McMoran, whatever that is. It's a copper company. It hasn't done too well this year. In the past 5 years, though, it's been up 97%. It's a little choppy and stuff like that. Does it give a dividend? I don't know. Let's see. I'm not a fan of this company. It pays a 1.47% return on your money daily. I'm not a big fan of this. But right now, there's a you don't want to trade every day. On certain days, you should just be studying. Let's see right here. Let's type in XLV. XLV is a exchange traded fund with the healthcare sector. These are the companies that are in XLV: Eli Lilly, Johnson and Johnson, AbbVie, United Health, etc., etc. Okay, so look at here. Sometimes you just gotta just look at the market. You don't have to buy anything. You just look at the market. I like Robinhood. Some people say, what's the best exchange to use? If you're a beginner, Robinhood is perfect for you. What are you going over in E-Trade for? Especially if you don't know how to use E-Trade, you know. So here's the industrials sector. Industrial sector has been doing pretty good, from my understanding. Let me see what it's done in a year. It's up 8.5%. I mean, that's better. That's better than nothing. Let's see what's all in this industrial. You got General Electric, Caterpillar, Uber. Uber is in there. That's interesting. So what if I just take a company out of here like Deere? Let's just see how Deere's been doing by itself. Deere. Let's see what it did in the year. Deere is up 19% in the year. That's not bad at all. 82%. So this is a pretty safe company, honestly. If you look at the beta, this company is beta. The beta measures volatility of let me share my screen. Beta measures volatility of the stock compared to the stock market. So let's go to Yahoo Finance real quick. That's if it wants to act right. One second. So Caterpillar, cat. Let's see what the beta is. Beta measures volatility of the stock compared to the stock market. For if you don't like a lot of risk, you don't like a lot of volatility, you get stocks with a beta under one. This is a 1.56. It's pretty dicey and stuff like that. If you can't handle a lot of volatility, you may want to stay away from this stock. But I mean, honestly, man, this is it's pretty solid stock. The price dips. Let's see how much they. So, um, let's just go back to here. Let's just share this Robinhood tab again. So in 5 days, come on now. You don't know why is it doing that for? Okay. So in okay. So for some reason something's going on there. Anyway, so that's what they come on here and say that. Just you don't have to trade every day. I'm gonna end this live stream. I don't know what's going on um with this uh in a week, in a month. Let me see if I can refresh this. Let me see what it does if I refresh it. In about a week. Okay. Yeah, it's up about 3% in about a week. What about a month? It's up like just under 7%. So, dear, this makes me something you want to invest in. So that's all I got for this. Peace.